If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm introducing you to an oldie but a goodie. I just love this. It is the Mabel Vintage Handbag by Swoon. It's a Swoon pattern. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. As you can see, she's cute and small and vintage looking. This one I've done in a really pretty glitter vinyl. We have two D-rings here for this shoulder strap, which is a beautiful chain shoulder strap. We have a turn lock closure, and when you open it up, we have a zipper pocket on one side. And she actually is pretty deep for a small bag. She is simple, she is elegant, and she is classy. I just love her. Perfect for somebody who doesn't want a super big handbag. Perfect for a night out on the town. She just looks, I don't know. I'm in love with her. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you would like to order your own Mabel vintage handbag, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. This is also the bag that we did in the May 2023 Thursday sew along group on the membership side. So if you like slowed down version, real time of making this, you could definitely sign up on the membership side and check out those videos. This one comes under the Thursday sew along tier. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.